I'm Amalie Schaefer with Systematic Excellence Consulting. I'm back here with another ClickUp quick tip. And so today I'm actually going to go over the same one I went over before, but some people call it night mode. So I'm going to just, again, go over how to set night mode or dark mode. So if you just come over here, click on the two circles at the bottom left-hand corner. We're going to go to My Settings, scroll down to the bottom here, and you're going to toggle on the dark mode, and then you're going to hit Save Changes. So this is what it looks like, and just click back so you can see what the tasks look like. This is what it looks like when it's in dark mode. If you no longer want it in dark mode, you just click the three dots, go to My Settings, scroll down to the bottom, toggle it off, and hit Save Changes. So that is night mode or dark mode, whatever you prefer to call it. That is how you set it. Again, my name is Amalie. I'm with Systematic Excellence Consulting. Thank you for watching. If you're feeling stuck or need some additional support to get your projects and processes into ClickUp and how to arrange them and organize them, feel free to book a discovery call using the link below. Thank you so much for watching.